everyone. Welcome to ANM Educate channel. Let us study about cockroach based on new NCERT. We are studying NEET 2025. ಮೊದಲನೆಯದಾಗಿ ಕಾಕ್ರೋಚಿನ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇನ್ಸೆಕ್ಟಾ and its phylum is Arthropoda. Kingdom Animalia. Phylum once again Arthropoda. It is a largest phylum and it is jointed appendages. Then class is Insecta. Order Dictoptera. Order Dictoptera and family Blattidae. Genus Periplaneta. Genus Periplaneta. Species American. Species American and its distribution cosmopolitan, means present everywhere. Cockroach is present everywhere. Cursorial means fast runners. ಕಾಕ್ರೋಚ್ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ರನ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರುವುದರಿಂದ ಇದನ್ನು ಕುರ್ಸೋರಿಯಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೆಯುತ್ತಾರೆ. ನೋಕ್ಟೋ. ನೋಕ್ಟೋ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ನೈಟ್ ವಿಷನ್. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಇದು ನೈಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಹಳ ಓಡಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದನ್ನು ನೋಕ್ಟೋ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಮ್ನಿವೋರಸ್. ಆಮ್ನಿವೋರಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ veg and non-veg both are called omnivorous and they show cannibalism. Cockroach phylum Arthropoda. Organ system level of organization. Triploblastic means 3 germ layers. First one ectoderm, mesoderm, endoderm. And it is eucoelomate. Eu means true, coelomate means coelom. And it is schizocoelomates. Its symmetry is bilateral. Segmentation or metamerism. Body is segmented. Cockroach. Head, thorax, abdomen, and it is exoskeleton, means chitinous exoskeleton. Chitinous means body is fully covered with chitin and it is homopolymer. NCERT textbookನಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಕಾಕ್ರೋಚ್. Cockroaches are brown or black bodied animals that are included in class Insecta of phylum Arthropoda. Bright yellow, red and green colored cockroaches have also been reported in tropical regions. Their size ranges from 1/4 inches to 3 inches. And have long antennae, legs and flat extension of the upper body that conceals head. They are nocturnal omnivorous that live in damp places throughout the world. They have become residents of human homes and thus are serious pests and vectors of several diseases.